Hello friends, so I'm back with new video on latest girl jobs today, and today you will get jobs from all the Janan consultants in Cochin, Chennai, Delhi and Mumbai, and these locations will be the interview locations. Friends, first of all I would like to thanks for your valuable support to my last video because it went viral and gained maximum views and watch time, so thanks a lot. There are many free recruitments also, so please don't skip, watch complete video. This posting is for UAE for a oil and gas construction project. Client interview shortly. Overseas experience is mandatory. So friends, you can see the positions. I am zooming in. You can take a screenshot. There are QAQC, civil, procurement, document controller, HSE, permit coordinator and many positions. So you can please take a screenshot. Degree diploma with minimum 7 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas construction project. Next is for Kuwait, HVAC maintenance project, and the position is HVAC technicians. You can see the detailed requirements, and overseas experience is compulsory. ITI diploma with 5 years of experience in maintenance and repairing field is required. Next is for Kuwait for oil and gas shutdown project, valve technicians. Salary will be 275 Kuwaiti dinar plus overtime plus free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. ITI diploma mechanical with minimum 5 plus years of experience in oil and gas project. Next is for Saudi, positions are HSE manager, HSE supervisor and HSE officer. Aramco experience is mandatory. Candidate must have 5 plus years of experience in gas insulated substation. Next is for Saudi. Yeah, these are the different positions. So this is also for Saudi. Positions are QC manager, QC supervisor and QC inspector. 5 plus years of experience in gas insulated substation is required. Here also Aramco experience is mandatory. Next is for Kuwait, Oman, Saudi and UAE. So these are the combined openings for all for these four countries. Positions are senior admin officers, time clerks, camp bosses, logistic coordinator, admin. Next is for Saudi, transmission line project. Positions are tower design engineer, civil design engineer. So friends, these consultants have multiple locations like Delhi, Kochi, Mumbai, Chennai, Vadodara and many more. So you can approach to your nearest office, you can contact them and get the required details. So this is for Europe. Position is CNC grinder. You can see the detailed requirements. Mobile number and email ID is mentioned. This is also for overseas location. The location is not mentioned in the posting. You can please contact for further details. Positions are civil engineer, civil supervisor and civil foreman. You can take a screenshot for detailed information. This is for Europe again. It's a free recruitment. Position is architectural inspector. Good communication skill is must. Next is for Europe again. Positions are site manager and site engineer. Next is for UAE for a long-term project. Positions are charge hand welding, superintendent welding, charge hand fabrication, foreman fabrication, general foreman fabrication, superintendent fabrication, charge hand rigging, superintendent rigging, charge hand scaffolding, painting and fabrication yards or site engineer. Friends, this is also free recruitment, so you no need to pay any service charge. You can please take a screenshot and read out the further remaining details. Next is for Qatar for a shutdown project, and positions are supervisor, rigging, piping, electrical, E&I. QC inspectors for mechanical and E&I. coordinators for logistics and material, HSE officer, senior technicians, electrical, instrument, E&I. Maintenance experience in Gulf countries is mandatory. Next is for UAE. It's a free recruitment and positions are superintendent, yard site engineer, general supervisor, general foreman and charge hand in different categories. So friends, as I told you, there are many free recruitments. So please don't skip, watch complete video. I think this is duplication. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Client interview will be in next week. You can see the positions: scaffolder, fabricator, steel fixer, hole fire watcher, carpenter, shuttering, fitter, mason, painter, multi-welder, store cutter. Shortlisting in progress. You can submit your CV and passport along with other required documents. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a long-term project. SAP B1 functional consultant. The detailed job description and requirements are given. So please take a screenshot. Next is for Qatar for a long-term project. Interviews will be on 29th of August in Cochin, 30th August in Chennai and 31st of August in Mumbai. The detailed address is given for all three locations. You can see the positions: painting supervisor, scaffolding inspector, supervisor, QA/QC inspector, insulation, and insulation supervisor, QA/QC inspector, painting. So these are the requirements. Next is for UAE for a shutdown project. This is also free recruitment. Client interview will be on 28th of August in Mumbai and 29th August in Chennai. Positions are HSE engineer, safety officer, lifting engineer, and safety fire watch. The email ID and multiple mobile numbers, they are the WhatsApp numbers as well, are given in all postings, so you can read it carefully. This is for Qatar for a long-term project, and final client interview will be on 29th of August at Cochin, 30th of August at Chennai and 31st of August in Mumbai. You can see the positions: supervisor, painting, QA/QC inspector, insulation and others. Next is for UAE for a long-term project. Shortlisting in progress. So the position is GTA welder, alloy steel. Salary will be AD 2600. Candidate must have experience in Gulf oil and gas projects. Next is for Bahrain for a long-term project. Shortlisting in progress. Positions are heavy duty drivers, road making operators and electrical charge hand. All candidate must have Gulf experience. Okay, so next is for UAE. It's a CV selection. Position is customer support engineer, CNC operator. Free food, transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Kuwait for proposed client interview, and proposed client interview will be in Mumbai, and the position is HVAC technician. Number of openings are 28. Salary is 150 Kuwaiti dinar. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Final client interview will be on 27th, that is tomorrow, in Mumbai, Radisson Blue Mumbai International Airport. Positions are planning in charge, QC lead or in charge, scaffolding in charge, store in charge, material coordinator, electrical in charge, document controller, shutdown managers, API 653 inspectors, logistic coordinator, scheduler, planners, tank in charge or manager, fabrication manager. Next is for Saudi again. Final client interview will be on 29th in Vizag, 27th in Mumbai, 31st August in Baroda and 1st September in Surat. And in Cochin will be on 3rd September. You can see the positions: electronic engineers, PLC electrical technicians, hydraulic mechanics, electromechanics, material checkers, structure foreman, leadman, fabricators, fitters, pipe structural fitters, 3G welder, 6G welder, and CNC machine operators, industrial painters, sandblasters, machinists, die setters, and many more. All candidates should have minimum 5 to 8 years of experience in steel structure fabrication industries. Next is for Saudi, client interview will be on 31st of August at Cochin and 1st September also. And in Chennai will be on 2nd September, Mumbai 3rd September and 4th September. The positions are HVAC technician, HVAC controls technician, BRF, SR senior technician, chiller technicians, Brazzers certified, VRF junior technicians. In troubleshooting skills for junior technicians, VRF is required, and for junior technician VRF, installation skills. HVAC technical supervisors. So friends, you can send your documents for shortlisting. This is free visa for Saudi. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. These all are restaurant openings. So catering supervisor, housekeeper, storekeeper, Arabic cook. 3 to 5 years of experience along with Gulf, industrial, catering, including experience in oil and gas, onshore, offshore, and rig environments. Next is free recruitment for Saudi. Positions are project manager, construction manager, QA/QC in charge, and engineer, supervisor, environmental manager or HSC. ITL has offices in Mumbai, Kochi, Trichy, and Chennai. So you can approach to your nearest location for the inquiry. This is for Saudi for a long-term project, and positions are tendering engineer and transport supervisor. The salary range is given and other requirement also mentioned. Next is for Saudi again. Position is painting and coating QC inspector. Aramco approval, CBT in coating needed, and other requirements also you can see. Salary is 8,000 Saudi Riyal. Side allowance 2,000. So it is total 10,000, and food allowance will be 500 Saudi Riyal. Next is for Oman. The positions are mobile crane, hydraulic or mechanic, and tireman, auto electrician, mechanic ME, auto mechanic LCV, LV, and auto mechanical. So you can see the positions. Next is for UK, London, insulation installer. You can see the salary range is also given. You can take a screenshot if needed, or if you finding any difficulties in getting that as well, you can join my WhatsApp group and you can ask me for it. I will share with you there. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Client interviews will be shortly. You can see the positions: project managers, QA/QC engineers, safety officers, foremen, drivers, and heavy drivers. Salary range is also mentioned in the posting. Gulf experience is preferred. Next is for Madina Group for short term project, and it's a free recruitment. Client interviews will be on 2nd September. Positions are QC inspector mechanical, QC inspector piping and welding. You can see the salary range. All candidates should have relevant certification with 3 to 5 years of oil and gas experience. Shortlisting in progress. Locations will be Mumbai, Chennai, and Kochi. Next is for Saudi. Positions are pipeline project manager, pipeline construction manager, and safety manager, Aramco approved. Degree or diploma engineering, minimum 10 years of working experience in Saudi Aramco pipeline PMT shutdown projects or oil and gas industry. Attractive salary, OT, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Locations Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Baroda. They have branches there, so you can contact. This is free recruitment for Qatar. Large requirement. Installation supervisor, scaffolding inspectors, QC inspector, installation and painting supervisor, refractory coordinator, QC inspector, refractory. So friends, you can see here are also they have offices in Kochi, Chennai and Mumbai. This is for Madina Group long-term project, free recruitment. The previous was short-term project. Client interviews will be on 29th of August. Positions are scaffolder, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding inspector and scaffolding foreman. You can see the positions are in bulk. Next is for Kuwait, shortlisting in progress. Face-to-face interviews in Kochi will be on 4th September. You can see the positions: engineer, system specialist, engineer analyzer, engineer instrument maintenance, supervisor analyzer, supervisor instrument, senior technician instrument, analyzer technician, control valve technician, technician instrument and instrument mechanic. Indian experience is also acceptable. So if you don't have Gulf experience, no need to worry. If you have relevant experience in India, you can apply with that. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment for a leading contracting company. Shortlisting in progress. Shutdown turnaround experience is required. Gulf experience is also required. So you can see there are multiple positions. Free food, accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. QC manager, QC supervisor, QC inspector. I think we have seen this already. Why again and again? Okay. So friends, this was the posting for today. Thanks a lot for watching complete video, and please subscribe if you're new on the channel, and if you really enjoyed the video, then please I need your like and comment on this video. Thank you.